Hello, in this presentation we're going to solve exercises on conduction. Here, two rods that are identical except that one is made from copper and the other from steel. They are given the same amount of heat from the Bunsen burner, and there are 5 pins that are stuck on them with wax. Which is the first pin to drop off? In order to answer this question, we should look first at the pins that are at the shortest distance to the Bunsen burner. We find that the pins C and D are at equal distance from the Bunsen burner, so we can work first step as elimination to this answer that the pins A, B, and E are not the answers, so they will not fall the first. However, the 2 pins that at the shortest distances are the ones that may fall the first. But which one will do fall the first? We should look at the type of the material. There's copper and steel. Let's think of it. We can differentiate between the metals by their thermal conductivity. The thermal conductivity of a material is a measure of its ability to conduct heat. The copper has a thermal conductivity equal to 399 watt per meter Kelvin. However, the stainless steel has a thermal conductivity of 14 watt per meter Kelvin. So copper has 3000% better thermal conductivity than stainless steel. So for sure, copper will conduct energy faster than that of the stainless steel, and the wax at the copper will melt first than that of the stainless steel. So the answer is pin C. Although pins C and D have the same distance from the flame, however, copper conducts heat more than steel. So the heat would transfer in the copper rod faster than the heat that's transferred through the steel rod. So pin C will be the first pin to fall off. Let's check the fourth question. They are asking which is the last pin to drop off. Check the figure. And now, in order to know the pin that will fall off the last, we should also compare the distances to the Bunsen burner. We find that the distance from the Bunsen burner to pins A and E are equivalent. They are equal. However, as we discussed later, that the type of the rod differs. The copper transfers energy faster than that of steel, so pin A will fall off faster than pin E because the energy transferred in the copper rod is faster than the energy transferred in the steel rod, so the wax that is used to stick pin A will melt off the first, and then pin A fall off before pin E. So pin E is the last pin to fall off the rod. Let's check it. And that's correct. Great job.